the ultraviolet rays, the next rays are visible rays. Visible rays wavelength is more than ultraviolet rays. Visible rays wavelength lies between 400 nanometers to 800 nanometers. Ultraviolet rays 100 to 400. Visible rays is 400 nanometers to 800 nanometers. How we can get visible rays? These rays are ejected from atom when electron is transmitted from one orbit to another orbit. Ultraviolet rays from higher to lower, but higher to lower ultraviolet rays, but visible rays from one orbit to another orbit. These rays are ejected from atom when electrons is transmitted from one orbit to another orbit. These rays are cause for vision. We are observing all the objects in the nature. How we can observe all the objects in the nature? Due to the visible rays. Who is discovered these visible rays? Scientist Newton. These visible rays cause for the vision or cause of the vision, and also used for the plants to do the photosynthesis. Plants can do the photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight is visible light. This is the use of the which one? Visible rays. Next, after visible rays, infrared rays. Infrared rays, shortcut IR rays. The wavelength of infrared rays lies between 800 nanometers to 1 millimeter. 800 nanometers to 1 millimeter. This is the range of infrared rays. Who is discovered these? Radar. Number of uses are there for infrared rays. This topic is important question for annual examination purpose under 2 marks. Number of uses. Infrared rays are used taking photograph in night. Taking photograph in night and also in fog and smoke. In night also we can take photograph. That's why this is called infrared rays are called as night photographic rays. These rays are used taking photograph in night and also fog and smoke. In smoke, objects are not appears. In that also we can take the photograph. Next, infrared rays are used for producing dehydrated fruits. Means we want to ripe the fruits. Actually the fruits are ripen on the tree, but we can fastly ripen or dehydrate the fruits. We use the which one? Infrared rays. Infrared rays are used for producing dehydrated fruits. Next one, infrared rays are used in the secret writing on the ancient walls. Ancient walls. Some writing is present in it. What is the secret writing on the ancient walls? It is also identified with the help of infrared rays. Next, infrared rays are used in greenhouses to keep the plants warm. Nowadays, especially the government is also supporting for the greenhouses to prepare the new type of the plants at that place to keep the plants is warm. Which rays are used? Infrared rays are used. Infrared rays are used in the greenhouses to keep the plants warm. For the gardening, the plants are supplied by the government in the greenhouses. At that place compulsory which you want used? Infrared rays. Next, infrared rays are used in physical therapy. Means we have any joint pains. Otherwise, when bone ready to heal very fast, we use the which one? Infrared rays. That's why we can use this in physical therapy. Now, is there any problem for infrared rays? Yes, there problem. These rays are cause of greenhouse effect and global warming on the earth. Every year the temperature is increases entire the world. What is the cause? Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect and global warming. What is greenhouse effect? That we have studied in first year. Physics and chemistry also. The carbon dioxide is increased on the earth. The carbon dioxide traps the infrared rays on the earth. It is not leaves from the earth. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, these all are called as greenhouse gases. These are traps the infrared rays. As a result, the temperature is increases. This is called greenhouse effect. So entire the world the temperature is increases. It is called by global warming. The cause of the global warming is infrared rays. Next, after infrared rays, which rays are exist in electromagnetic spectra, electromagnetic waves? Microwaves. Microwaves. Who is discovered the microwaves? Scientist Hertz discovered the microwaves. How we can get the microwaves? These waves are ejected from vacuum tube and diodes and electron guns when electron is accelerated in it. Means these rays are ejected from vacuum tubes, diodes when electron is accelerated in it. Okay, is there any use? Yes. Microwaves are used especially in the to the communication purpose, especially in radar, radio amplification detection. Means microwaves are used, especially first. These rays are used in radar. Radar means radio amplification detection and ranging. Next one means radar is especially used to travel the direction of aeroplane, especially used in the direction of transmission or travel of aeroplanes. Next, these rays are used in the communication system like mobile phones, traffic signals. Okay, next one. These rays are used in the aerodrome, signaling, for the signaling of planes or aeroplanes. Next one more. This is very important. These rays are used for cooking also. These rays are used in cooking, like a micro oven. The cooking is very fast. And next one, these rays are used to identify the velocity of thrown, velocity of thrown balls, thrown balls of player. Identify the velocity of thrown balls in balls of player in the ground. The balls are thrown by the player, it is also identified. This is about the microwaves. Okay, microwaves are uses are, this means is used in the communication system like mobile phones and traffic signals. Now after the microwaves, the last one is radio waves. What is the last one? Last electromagnetic wave is radio waves. The wavelength of radio waves is more than 0.1 meter up to many kilometers. The wavelength of radio waves from 0.1 meter to many kilometers. Who are discovered these rays? These rays are discovered by scientist Marconi. How we can get these rays? These rays are ejected from electrical circuit has inductor and capacitor. Inductor and capacitor, nothing but which one? Oscillatory circuit. These are called as oscillatory circuit. Okay, how the radio waves are ejected? These waves are ejected from electrical circuit has inductor and capacitor. Then these rays are radio waves. Now what is the use of the radio waves? The first one, these rays are used for communication. Without wire, that is called cord, in the form of broadcasting. In the form of broadcasting means, example, radio, television. Okay, this is about the use of the radio waves. Radio waves are used in communication purpose without wire, means without cord, actually want to say, in the form of broadcasting. When the signal is transmitted without the wire, that process is called by the occurred by the radio waves. It is called by one technical name, that is broadcasting. Okay, these are the 7 types of electromagnetic waves. In this electromagnetic wave, gamma rays energy is more, wavelength is less. But radio waves energy is less, wavelength is more. Radio waves wavelength is more, energy is less. Gamma rays energy is more, wavelength is less. Based on the wavelength, the electromagnetic waves are divided into 7 types. Among all these rays are cause for vision. Remaining all rays are not visible. Gamma rays are not visible to us. X-ray rays also not visible to us. Ultraviolet rays also not visible to us. Infrared rays also not visible to us. Microwaves also not visible to us. And radio waves also not visible to us. But all the rays, from gamma rays to radio waves, all the rays velocity is the same. All the rays velocity is the same. That velocity is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. All the rays are not deviated in electric field and magnetic field. Okay, this is important. From gamma rays to radio waves, once again all the velocity is same. All the rays are not deviated in electric field and magnetic field. All these rays are called radiation also. Okay, this is about the electromagnetic waves chapter. From this chapter, the importance of infrared waves and importance of microwaves are very important.